Hi, this is Beth Freschi. I'm a relaxation and life coach here in the Twin Cities. My company is called A Time for Expression, LLC. I'm going to take you through a very brief relaxation training break. And we're going to begin with an exercise called Body as a Balloon. So imagine your whole body is a balloon. And as you breathe in, imagine your whole body inflating like a balloon. Then as you breathe out, imagine your body is deflating like a balloon. We're going to do that 3 more times. Inhale, your whole body is inflating. And then exhale, your whole body is deflating. Breathe in. Whole body is inflating like a balloon. And breathe out. Your body is deflating. Breathe in. Inflating. Breathe out. Deflating. One more time. Your whole body inflating like a balloon. And then breathe out. Your body is deflating. Next, we're going to do a tense and release. And you're going to tense up every muscle you can think of in your body. So like squeeze your fists, curl your toes under, shrug your shoulders, make a broad smile with your face to tense it up, tighten your tummy, squeeze your glutes, press your legs together. Think of every muscle you can tense and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. And just shake out your whole body. It feels good to just shake out the tension. And then just do a nice stretch up over your head and let your arms down. Now we're going to do a brief guided imagery. And at this point, I would like you to close your eyes and imagine yourself in your favorite place or one of your favorite places. Notice if you're indoors or outdoors. Are you alone or with someone else? Notice the quality of the air, how it feels on your skin. Breathe in a delightful scent and feel the comfort of being in this place that you love so much. Notice all the details using all your senses: sight, sound, taste, touch. And just feel everything around you. And think about something that you want to happen in the next week. And picture that happening right now. Picture it happening right now. Imagine what it looks like and how it will play out. Now breathe in, breathe out, and repeat inwardly these phrases of loving kindness. May I be healthy. May I be happy. May I be at ease. May I be filled with loving kindness. May all beings love and protect each other. Take another deep breath in. Breathe out. Stretch. And how does that feel to take that brief break? If you want something longer, feel free to look at my other videos or go to my website, www atimeforexpression.com. Thank you for taking this time to recharge. And I hope this week you remember to breathe and stretch and do those things that you enjoy. Thank you.